Hi guys, welcome to the live session for Science 6A Final Exam Review. These questions are taken right off of the exam, so you can study them, go back and read them if you need to. So our first question is, on what day was the temperature at 72 degrees? Now you're going to have a few of these type questions, and they're really easy. You just go over, you find 72 degrees, and you go down to the day, and it's Thursday. So the correct answer for that is going to be Thursday. Again, you're going to have a couple of different type of these. So just take your time, go there and kind of scroll down and look and see what the answer is. Okay. It's important that others gain knowledge from your work and repeat your investigation. So this step in the scientific method is called communicate results. So when you're doing your scientific method, you want to make sure you communicate the results so that others can determine the outcome. Okay, which of the following scientists developed the process of pasteurization? And this one's really easy because the Pasteur is in his last name. So it's Louis Pasteur, and that is the scientist that developed it. What is pasteurization? It is the process of heating up milk just enough to kill that harmful bacteria. So the milk that you have in your fridge and that you drink has been pasteurized to kill off those harmful bacteria. Okay, this question. Galileo Galilei believed the Earth was not the center of the universe and was placed under house arrest for his belief. Okay, our next one. One step that is not part of a scientific investigation is guessing. So that is not a scientific investigation when you guess. When you guess, you're just guessing. You have to come up with a hypothesis, what you think is going to happen, but you're not going to just guess. You're going to have scientific facts that back up your hypothesis. And a good hypothesis includes a prediction. So again, this prediction is not based on a guess. It's based on facts that you've collected up until this point. And after that hypothesis is formed, the next step would be to gather data and test the hypothesis. The thing that causes change and is controlled in an experiment is called an independent variable. Okay, so that thing is your independent variable. All the following are SI units except inches and are almost always based on the number 10. Which of the following SI units is bigger than a gram? That's going to be a kilogram. So which of the following SI units is bigger than a gram? And that's a kilogram. And what do you need to measure if you are trying to decide how much carpet you need for the room? You're going to measure the area of that room. Scientists use meters when measuring an object's length. They use meters when measuring an object's length. And this tool is used to organize your data before you graph, and that's called a data table. So you're going to organize your data before you graph it in a data table. Some people call it data, data, whichever you prefer. Okay, and what characteristics do all living things share? All living things share DNA. Their cells have DNA in it. Remember that DNA is what makes us us. It what gives us our color of our eyes, color of our hair. The DNA is a blueprint for what we are. Okay, guys, that's it for the questions. There are a few others on there. I just went over the harder ones, the ones I feel some of you may struggle with a little bit. Go back and review this as many times as possible. Again, all of these questions are going to be on the final exam. Good luck. Reach out if you need anything. I'm always here.